Morning Year 7, this is Mr. Stuza. I hope you're all well and having a lovely day. So please could you write the date and title? The title today is Village Name and Map. So as you can probably deduce, today I'll be coming up with a name for your village and preparing a map. So for your do now, I would like you to brainstorm ideas for your village name. Quickly write down as many possible names as you can think for your village. So some examples: Daniel Land, Ethanton, Savannahville. Guess where I got those ideas from? So please pause the video for 5 minutes in order to do that. For your first task, I would like you to do some research online and see if you can find out what these prefixes and suffixes mean, and you have 15 minutes to do that. If you finish, as a challenge, I would like you to think of as many English place names that use these prefixes and suffixes. So Birmingham, Lancaster, Midhurst, you can use Google or a map to help you. So please pause the video for 15 minutes in order to do that. So to go through the answers: Ham means village, Worth means enclosure or settlement, Stead means place, Croft is a small enclosure, Hurst means wooded hill, Castle means Roman fort, Burn means stream, Gate means road, Mere means pool, Port means harbour, and Ton means farm. So can you please check your answers and correct any that you didn't get right? Okay, so for your second task, you are now going to announce your village name in a formal speech, and you are going to use persuasive techniques. So first, I'd like you to copy the box below into your exercise books. So we may have talked about the forest before, but I'll go through it again. So direct address is D, speaking directly to the audience using you and your. A stands for anecdotes, which are short personal stories. F stands for facts, statements that are proven to be true. O stands for opinion, personal feelings or beliefs. R stands for repetition, repeated use of a word or phrase for effect. E for emotive language, words or phrases that make the audience feel a particular emotion. S is for statistics, a numerical piece of data proven to be true. And T is for tricolon. We've definitely talked about that one. A group of 3 words or phrases used for effect. So please pause the video to write this down into your book. Okay, so this is an example. I think the village should be called Horselgate because it means road to Horsel, which is the best place in the world. 99% of people asked thought it was the best name. It is a great name because it is British, brilliant and beautiful. Do you want a boring, ordinary name that has been done before? Choose Horselgate if you want to inspire a new generation of villagers. How many of the persuasive techniques can you find? Write them down. You have 5 minutes, so please pause the recording now. Okay, so you've got fact, because it means the road to Horsel. It's a statement that you can prove to be true. Statistics, 99%. Tricolon, British, brilliant and beautiful, also alliteration. A rhetorical question: do you want a boring, ordinary name that has been done before? So that's a question asked merely for effect, not to be answered. And direct address: choose Horsel, so talking directly to the audience. So if you didn't get them down, please pause the video and write them down now. Okay, so next, it's your turn. I would like you to write a short speech, 6 to 8 sentences or more if you have time, saying why you have chosen your village name, so similar to the example I've given you. So please pause the recording for 10 minutes to do that. Okay, so task 3, I'd like you to make a map. Now that you've chosen a name for your village, you can start designing the layout. For the rest of today's lesson, begin to draw a map for your village. Don't spend more than 20 minutes on this today. You can finish it off later. There are some ideas on the following slides. So this is one idea, and these are some more ideas. And so can you please pause the video to draw out your map? Okay, so hopefully you've made a start on your map. please keep it in a safe place so you can work on it in future lessons. So next time we will start to plan who the people are in your village. So thank you very much for your work today, and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you next time.